Greeting, this is Mark Brown. You're going to be looking at how we can actually insert or create a tab. Yes, create a tab. All of these right up here is tab. So here, Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab, Layout tab, Reference tab. So we're going to create a tab up here, right, which is very important. So in order for me to create a tab, I can come right here, come all the way down to Option, and then these option right here, we're going to click on Customize Ribbon. And when you click on Customize Ribbon, notice it's a new tab, new group, and rename. So I'm going to click on New tab. Right, so when I click on the New tab, right, if you notice up here, so I'm going to put something in the New tab. Right, I'm going to put email inside there, and then I'm going to press Add. I'm going to put next something inside here. I'm going to put let me see, footnote, and then I'm going to OK, just like that. So this is self, the new group, or new tab, and then I click OK. So now I click OK. If you notice right here, this is a new tab. So if I click on the new tab, you notice to show that email inside here and footnote. Right, so it's very important here on the new tab. So this is how you actually create a new tab in Microsoft Word. Right, so it's very important. So what if you want to get rid of this new tab that you just create? You can come right here and click, go to Customize Ribbon, take it directly back. If you notice right here, if you notice, if I click on this little pointer right here, right, it can actually show you the new group or the new tab. When I click on it, you notice highlight right here, so say remove. Right, when I click on remove, when you're done, you press OK, just the same. And if you notice up here, it's actually gone. So very important. So if you have learned something from this particular video, give it a thumbs up and remember to share and subscribe.